today we are so excited because we are gonna do clay! Yeah! So we have all of the ingredients. It's gonna be all organic clay with our food colors. First of all, we're gonna have 1 cup of flour. In the flour, we're gonna put it in this plate and then we're gonna mix all of the ingredients.
Yeah.
So first,
Yeah.
and then we have 1/4 cup of salt. What color is this?
Pink.
Great job. And then we have in here a 1/2 spoon of cream of tartar. Cream of tartar? It sounds very silly. Cream of tartar. Let's put it. There you go. And then we have in here 1/2 tablespoon of oil. So, lastly, I'm gonna use H2O. What is H2O? You know that, Maydella?
Water.
Yes, it's a water, H2O. And lastly, which color you want to choose? The yellow, the pink, red, or the blue one?
Pink.
You want the pink, okay. We can use some few drops. Let's start mixing.
Yeah.
It's very excited.
I want to.
Now our mixture is ready. And now we can call this a homemade clay. Now let's get our blue tray and place our clay. Those are the clays that we just made it. So we had
Pink.
this green, pink, purple, and blue. Ooh, it's very fluffy and very soft. After placing our clay in here, we have all of the shapes. We have a heart shape. We have a star. We have a home shape. And then we have something funny. Maydella, which one you want to start first?
I'll do salt.
You want the star?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll start with this heart shape. I'm gonna press it just like this. Let's remove this remaining clay. Now we have a very beautiful heart shape. I have another idea. I will get this pink color. I will add the blue one. Do you know what color we're gonna have it if we mix the pink and the blue? Any guessings? We're gonna have a purple color. Yes! By mixing 2 colors, we can have another new color. Now we have this purple. Maydella, do you want to make a rose?
Yeah.
I know how to do a rose petal. Okay. Let's take a piece from this pink clay. Okay. Maydella, try to do like this. Tap it. Tap, 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 tap. Oh, and this is Maydella's petal. Yeah. And basically take those petals and then just do it like this. Some of them like this.
Give me more. My power.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. Bye bye.